Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm here at the chili factory. It's also one hot adventure.
Amr's TV, we are the future.
And they have a surprise at the end. So stay tuned if you want to know.
Just be like me, look it. No? You don't have to. You don't have to.
I don't have to. Hello, I'd like your franchise. So, can you put it in retro? Oh no, this is already. Oh, can you put it in retro, please? Nice meeting you. What? We're here in Flameland, I guess. Look at the posters. Do you smell that? Do you smell that? It smells like chilies. So let's go. Hot, crazy. Hot. It's hot. Okay, we're checking in. This line is here to get you some.
Take one, Mama. Take one. Thank you.
I don't want to eat it. Chili time, chili time, chili, 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 chili. I need water. Oh, chili, chili brew. Chili brew. Chili, chili. I want chili. Oh, Penny Kaiser. Oh my god. I'm eating hot ice cream. I don't know how they could put ice cream with and hot sauce. I don't know how they combine together. It's tasty, but it's spicy. He ate it. Let's see his reaction. Oh no! He's eating it. He doesn't feel anything. He's just eating. Oh no! Is it spicy?
Sorry, excuse me.
He likes it. Look at Makeen how he's eating it. Thank you. It's spicy. Makeen keeps eating it. He doesn't think it's eating. Doing this Spice Factory for.
This year, 39 years. You know? This is the 39 means 39 years.
Oh.
Yeah, we have 39. Next year come back, then we have 40.
Wow, that's a good one. How?
Machine, but which you need the employee to working about more than 100.
Thank you. That's amazing.
Amr's TV, we are the future.